first vlog. I just finished today's exam and I'm currently studying for tomorrow's exam. Finally, tomorrow is the last day of exam. I'm so happy, and also will be the last exam that I had in senior high school because now I'm in my last year of high school. By the way, I usually study for like 2 until 4 hours depending on the subject that I have to learn, but today I only study for 1 hour. This is what I do in my free time. Sorry guys, I forgot to vlog last night, and yeah, I start my morning with the exam. Well, I forgot to vlog the last session, but yeah, finally the exam is done. Now I'm enjoying my lunch. It's so good. After that, my friends came here to my house and we bought ice creams. My friends have left and right now I'm unboxing my package that just arrived. It is a laptop stand holder. I just bought it from Shopee and I will link the shop name in the description box so you guys can check it out. So far I like it and it feels useful. Guys, I think it's the end of the vlog. Sorry if it's too short, but yeah, see you in my next vlog. Goodbye.